So here's the ingredients for our mushroom and Swiss burger. We're gonna make 5 good sized burgers, so we have 1.5 pounds of 80/20 hamburger. We really love putting onion soup mix in our burgers, so if you haven't tried that, I certainly recommend it. We have 1/2 pound of mushrooms. We're gonna use 1/2 stick of butter to fry our mushrooms. We have a blend of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and a little bit of Swiss cheese. We have a can of cream of mushroom soup. We're gonna need a little bit of Worcestershire sauce and a little bit of S&P. So first thing, we're gonna put together our burgers. Okay, let's mix our ground beef together to get our burgers. So we're gonna put in our Lipton onion soup mix right in there. And then we're going to mix this up. Now that we have the burgers put together, we have them set aside, and we're going to start cooking our mushrooms. So we have a large pan. I'm going to go medium-high heat, and we put 1/2 stick of butter in there. And we're going to let that cook until they reduce and get golden brown. Okay, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. We're going to add some S&P. Give them another stir. Okay, those are looking good and cooked. So now we're going to turn our heat way down to low. And we're going to add our can of cream of mushroom soup right in there. So there's the mushroom sauce. It's been simmering slowly, and as the water and everything evaporates off, the flavor just gets intensified, and it is super delicious. Okay, there's our burgers off the grill. I'm gonna put some cheese on them, and they can sit there and rest just a little bit. Okay, we're gonna put our burger together. Start with the burger here. Next, we're gonna scoop in or on the mushroom mixture. And there you go. So there you have it. That is a gourmet mushroom and Swiss burger that is fairly easy to make, not too many ingredients, and it smells amazing. You guys really got to try it. And if you do, let me know what you think. Put a comment down below. Please remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. It's amazing. Thanks, everyone.